everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a simple granny square. So the materials you will need will be a crochet hook in whatever size your yarn calls for, a darning or tapestry needle, a pair of scissors, and the yarn of your choosing. So to start, you're going to create a magic ring. So creating a magic ring is actually quite simple, and it goes off of how you create a slip knot. So you're going to take your two fingers and wrap your yarn around those fingers and create an X on the back. Then you will take your hook, go under the first piece of yarn, and pull up the second piece of yarn. You'll stop here, whereas if you were making a slip knot, you'd continue pulling through. What you'll do is twist your yarn, pull up a loop from this tail over here, and pull through. And that's how you create a magic ring. Then you will chain 3. So you had 1 chain, 2 chains, now this is your 3rd chain. Then you will yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and you will create a double crochet. You will do that one more time to create a cluster of 3. Me personally, when I'm making my granny squares, I like to chain 1 in between my 3 clusters of double crochet just to help separate them a little bit better. Then you will create 3 more double crochet. That's your second cluster of 3 double crochet. Then you're going to chain 1 again and create 3 more double crochet. There's 3. And then finally you are going to do 1 more cluster of 3 double crochet in order to make 4 sides for your granny square. After you've created 4 separate clusters of 3 double crochet, you can pull your magic loop tight. Chain 1, and you are going to slip stitch in the top of your 3 chain stitches. Then you will slip stitch into the next couple of chains until you are in your corner space. This would be your corner. This is where you chained 1. So you'll slip stitch into there. Then you will chain 3. This will count as 1 double crochet. Then you will create 2 more double crochet. This acts as your cluster of 3. This is going to be a corner, so you are going to chain up 2 and place 3 more double crochet in that same corner space. Then you will chain 1 and do the same thing in all of the other corners. Since this is only the 2nd round, there are no center spaces yet, so you'll only work in corners to start. Okay, once you reach here, I'm just going to tighten up that center. Once you reach here, you're going to chain 1, and just as you did in the last row, you're going to slip stitch into the top of that chain 3. And again, similarly as you did in the last row, you're just going to slip stitch across until you are in the corner space. Again, you will chain up 3. This chain 3 will count as a double crochet, and you are going to create another corner. So there's your 3, chain 2, and create another 3. From here you will chain 1, and this is your first center space. This is just going to be 3 double crochet, just chain 1, and onto the next space, which is a corner, so you'll create the 6 double crochet with the 2 chain spaces. Then you will just continue to do this all the way around. So from here, again, you're going to be slip stitching into the top of that chain 3. And I'm going to be fastening off here, so you'll just chain 2, pull up a little bit, take your scissors, cut your yarn, and then pull it through to secure. Next, we're going to weave in our ends with our darning needle. So to do so, we're just going to put our yarn on our needle. So once our yarn is on our needle, we are going to look closely at our stitches here. So what we're going to do is we're going to start here, swoop down, grab the next one, swoop down, grab the next one, swoop down, grab the next, swoop down, grab the next. We are just moving in this motion. And then we'll pull those through, stretch it out a bit. You could fasten off here if you'd like to, but I'm just going to go back down through here just to give it a little bit of extra security. Once you're done, you will pull it slightly tight, take your scissors, and snip off your end. After that, just give it a little bit of a stretch, just so it flows more seamlessly. And then you'll do the same thing for the back. And that is how you create the simple crochet granny square. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below, and please like and subscribe if you liked this video. Bye!